Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use vitamin E hair capsules. Pierce a capsule and warm the oil between your palms before applying to scalp and hair lengths. Do a patch test behind the ear to check for reactions and avoid the eye area. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes to boost circulation. Leave the oil on for 30 minutes or overnight for deep conditioning, then shampoo with a gentle cleanser. Use 1 to 2 times weekly. Vitamin E can nourish dry strands, reduce breakage, and add subtle shine when used thoughtfully. For thicker formulations, mix 1 capsule with a carrier like coconut or jojoba oil so it spreads easily. Focus on damaged ends and mid-lengths rather than roots to prevent oiliness. Keep applications moderate and consistent, and pair topical care with a balanced diet for the best long-term hair results and overall scalp health. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy easy reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp display and long battery life. It fits in a bag, reads in bright sun, and stores thousands of books for travel or downtime. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like the video to help us grow. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Safety matters when using vitamin E oil on hair and scalp. If you have sensitive skin, perform a patch test and stop if redness or itching occurs. Avoid contact with eyes and wash hands after applying to prevent transfer. If your scalp becomes oily or clogged, reduce frequency or dilute further with a carrier oil. Seek medical advice before topical use if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking blood thinners or have known allergies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.